Happy Valentine's Day month. Let's give some head massage to your loved ones, including yourself. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Since it's February already, I think it's appropriate to give some massage to your loved ones as an expression of love. If you have a partner, that's wonderful. You can massage your partner. But if you don't have a partner, that's fine. You can massage yourself because I'm sure you're the best partner to yourself. Or worst. It doesn't matter. We all deserve some love. In my couples massage class, I refer to the person giving a massage as a giver and the person receiving a massage as a receiver. If you are a giver, position yourself higher than the receiver, standing or sitting, so that you can comfortably reach the receiver's head in front of you. Whether you're massaging your partner's head or your own head, as you massage, give some love and thanks to the hard-working brain inside. Start massaging the scalp with the belly of your fingertips. Make circles and straight lines as you move your torso to save your hands and fingers. Your goal is to cover every square inch of your partner's head. Don't forget to massage around the ears. Do this for 30 seconds. If your partner wants more pressure, curl your fingers and glide your fingers slowly. If your partner has a hair loss concern, firmly hold the scalp and move the scalp instead of gliding your fingers on the scalp. This will help loosening up the scalp, which will improve the circulation to the hair root while preventing the precious fine baby hair from being pulled out of the hair root before it's time. Gently grab your partner's hair down close to the roots. Make certain the hair is long enough. Squeeze to just give it a tug as you count 1, 2. Do not pull the hair from the scalp. Repeat on different spots on the head. Do this for 30 seconds. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Make it a great week.